I'm going to show you how the say primitive works. The say command uses the text-to-speech capability of your computer to read the input out loud. The input can be a word or a list. Here are some examples. Type this in the command center. Say, hey.
Hey.
Now type, say, hey there.
Hey there.
Put a text box on the page and leave its name as text1. Now type this in the text box. Have a happy birthday. And now type this in the command center. Say, text1.
Have a happy birthday.
The say primitive is fun when you want to add a voice to your project. For example, if you're making a presentation or greeting card and want the viewer to hear your message. If you want to see say in action, open the Say LYNX project.
That's it for now. Thanks. Until next time.